Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin, and I trade with Forex Trading for Beginners using, as you already know, the Ninja trading system. Yesterday, I brought not a new setup, but the existing setup. We're doing gold and indices. I brought it to the Forex pairs, and guess what? You guessed it right. So far, we've totally smashed it. 11 trade setups, 11 wins with Forex currency pairs. 3 wins with indices and gold, 3 from 3 setups. Doesn't get any better. I'm going to share them right now. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. So let's start off with indices, shall we? Let's start off with indices. NAS 100. Market opened, ladies and gentlemen. Market opened. There's a target for the day before. Does it hit it? Using our indicators, the matrix, the indicator, boom! 1-1. Gold. There's a target from the previous day. Boom! 7:30. Where's our target? Where's our target? Come on, let's get my indicator on. It seems to switched off. Well, that's on now. There's a target for the previous day. What does the market do when it opens? Was in a green zone. We just check. Was in a green zone. There, Ninja in a green zone. Boom! 3 wins from 3 setups. No more struggling, and this music says, like it says, no more struggling. You too can learn this incredible system the Ninja Forex traders use. So let's use currency pairs, all these here. Look, all these wins. Great British Pound AUD. There's a strat. Look at this. That's the target for the previous day. Market opens down here. Boom. Next one. Great British Pound CHF. There's a target for the previous day. There's a target. Where's it here? It's a small one, So many times. 2. This one here. There's a target. Does it hit it? It smashes it. Thank you very much. 3. There's a target. 4. 2, 3, 4. There's a target. 5. I've got it down here. There's a target. 6. Ninja down, matrix down. Ladies and gentlemen, have you seen enough? 6 trade setups, 6 wins from Forex, indices and gold, 3 setups, 3 wins. USD JPY. There's a target. Does it work? Boom. There's a target. Boom. Target. Straight through it, reverses. Boom. There's a target. Boom. 1, 2 more. There's a target. Boom. And again. There's a target from the previous days. It smashes it. Come on. I think it's time to take off the jacket of not believing. Take it off. Trust your tools. Those people in the ninjas, use the matrix. Use the ninja, Kita. Use this strategy. So far in total, 14 trade setups, 14 wins. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you later, and I'll also see you at the top. Bye for now, and have a great day trading.